One.
And where is the transformer?
ম্যাম ক্রস মার্ক যেটা দেয়া আছে, ম্যাম ক্রস মার্ক দেয়া আছে যেটা 10 এন্ড
দেখো আমি
10 আর 14 এর।
দেখতে পাচ্ছি। ও এইখানে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
ওকে, ফিডার ইয়েটা দেয়া। Yes ma'am.
Shomiran, tell me what is the length of the feeder?
80 meter.
Do you know the difference between feeder and distributor? Shomiran?
Yes,
difference between feeder and distributor? What is the difference between feeder and distributor?
ম্যাম ট্রান্সফরমার থেকে যেটা কানেক্ট করা হয় সেটা ম্যাম ফিডার, আর যেগুলো এমনি লোডে যে কানেক্ট করা হয়, যেগুলো বিভিন্ন লোডে যায়, সেগুলো ডিস্ট্রিবিউটর হিসেবে কাজ করে।
তো ট্রান্সফরমার থেকে যে ফিডারটা গেছে সেখান মানে আর কোনো ডেফিনেশন নেই, only which is connecting the transformer to the line? Any other definition, Niloy?
The feeder is the one which carries the no load voltage, the line voltage from here. Feeder is the one which carries a no load voltage and the
carries no load voltage. In ideal condition, all lines should have the no load voltage.
Yes, ma'am. Which connects the transformer to the distributor lines, ma'am. That is a feeder from here to.
Is it the actual definition of feeder? Then all the lines which are not connecting the transformer, they are not the feeders. Is it true? Okay. What is the voltage regulation you have got?
16.81%.
What is the definition for voltage regulation expression?
Ma'am, it is the ratio of no load to minus full load upon full load voltage.
Again, tell me ratio of.
Ma'am, it is a ratio of no load minus full load upon full load voltage into 100.
And Shomiran, what is the definition? He told no load minus full load by full load voltage. What is your definition? Any other definition or same?
No, ma'am, same.
Acha, show that expression where you have got the voltage regulation. Scroll down. This is the voltage regulation. So 239.6, what is this? Is it full load voltage? What is this voltage? Denominator? How did you get that voltage?
450 divided by root 3. 415 divided by root 3.
Nilay?
Yes, ma'am. That is the line voltage, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you stop presenting. Next. Who will present?
Ma'am, basically Panchali is not there, and my
Okay.
ma'am, actually my auntie has been expired few days before. That's why I was not able to.
What was her age?
Ma'am, she is 35 years old. She was 35 years old.
Why? How? In COVID?
Yes, ma'am.
So sad.
Ma'am, that's why I was not able to complete my assignment.
Okay, no problem. So you and Panchali later on contact me and show your presentation, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You contact me after 1 week. If you are able to present after 1 week, then it's okay. Otherwise, you just inform me when you are going to present, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because I will forget, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So maybe I cannot contact you, but you contact me after 1 week.
Okay,
okay?
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Your auntie had any children?
Yes, ma'am. She has 2 daughters.
What is their age?
Ma'am, one is I think 18 years old and another one is 22. One was married and one was not married,
Okay,
unmarried.
so sad. 18 years means it's just your age, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
How are your family members? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. All are good. My grandmother is suffering from fever.
Okay. So, okay. Okay, you contact me after 1 week. Okay, you and Panchali.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you.
Next, Uishani and Dia.
ম্যাম শুভঙ্কর আমাদেরটা প্রেজেন্ট করে দিন।
Acha. Dia, what do you stay? Where are you now?
থামদাম।
In your home?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Okay, and Uishani?
Ma'am, I also live in Namdam.
Oh, that's why you are doing together. Okay. All good in your family?
No,
ইয়েস
ma'am.
ম্যাম।
My
Ah.
mom was affected by COVID recently.
And you?
No, ma'am, I'm fine.
Okay, only she has been affected. Other family members?
Not yet.
How is she?
She has recovered now.
Oh, she has recovered. Okay, thank God. Actually, such situation is very tough. Nevertheless, we have to perform our duty. Okay. Okay, acha, Oishani and Dia, you just unmute yourself. And okay, Oishani, tell me, okay, that cross is a transformer. What is your feeder length?
I'm 64 meters.
Okay, and your potential you have clearly written V mean, isn't it? That is
Yes,
the point
ma'am.
of minimum potential. What is your voltage regulation?
Ma'am, 13.47%.
Okay. And ideally, what should be the value?
Less than or equals to 5% of the voltage, 415 by root 3.
Okay. Dia, tell me, how did you choose the conductor size or conductor resistance?
Ma'am, the resistance, we took the maximum, we got the maximum voltage drop, and then we then ma'am ওই আর এর লেন্থটা 2.044 into 10 to the power minus 5 এর থেকে কম আসছিল, তো
হ্যাঁ,
আমরা
ওটা সেটাই না দাঁড়া, সেটাই জিজ্ঞেস করছি। এই যে 2 এই যে কম আসছিল, এটা কোন বেসিসে এটা ক্যালকুলেট করেছে?
ওটা ওটা আমরা ভোল্টেজ ড্রপটা লেস দ্যান ইকুয়ালস টু 0.05 into 415 by root 3, তো ওরকম ভাবে ক্যালকুলেট।
আচ্ছা, ডু ইউ নো দ্য ডিফারেন্স বিটুইন ডিস্ট্রিবিউটর এন্ড ফিডার?
Ma'am, feeder is a conductor which connects between generating stations to the area where the power supply requires, and the distributors and the conductors from which number of tappings are taken out for providing power to the consumers.
Okay. Oishani, any other definition or what is your answer?
No, ma'am, same. Distributors have tappings and the current isn't constant throughout it.
Okay. Okay, you stop presenting. Stop presenting. Okay. Now, you know, only one portion is left. So, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Now, is my screen visible? Okay. So, you have completed up to. Achha, did you have this water pump in your block? Okay. Okay. So you have performed up to step 5. Okay, 5 completed. Now, 6 and 7 is left. You don't have any high tension or water pump. This is step 8 is water pump, and step 9 is actually the high tension calculation, HT calculation. So you don't have the HT part. So 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, you did not do. So only 6 and 7 is left. 6 actually calculate the total length of LT distributor, that you can find out from step 7. See what is what is shown in step 7. The table first road segment by now you know what are the different road segments you write down. Then road length you just multiply, you know the road length, okay, write it in meter or centimeter. Then the line resistance, okay, you have calculated the resistance per unit length, so multiplying by road length you can find out the total line resistance. Then line current by now you have already obtained the values for line current, isn't it? All the currents in the road segments. And then the line loss, so you can easily calculate 3 I square R is here, so you can complete this table. Okay, now one thing, I'm stopping presenting. So any one of you show your map. I forgot to tell you one thing. Any one of you, you present. Okay. See here, what is a road segment? See road segment 7. Okay. So here you have considered the load at the two ends of road segment 7, isn't it, Shubhankar? So that is at the end. So all of you, if all of you have considered the load at the end of the road segments, then you will get only one current for each road segment. Okay. But some of you, maybe not in your group, in some other group, what they have done, they have taken the load from the midpoint. Okay. In that case, on the left hand side of the road segment, you will have one current. On the right hand side, you will have another current, isn't it? Okay. So is anyone in your group have done like this, taken the load from the midpoint?
Yes, ma'am, I had done.
You have done. So what is your you can Shubhankar, you can show his map.
Ma'am, like I had taken
This
some
one.
of them, like I think 12 I had
Okay,
taken 12.
okay, no problem. That is also correct. See here, 6 and 12. Yes,
Mm.
road segment 12. You will have on the left hand side of that road segment, you will have one current. On the right hand side, you will have another current, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you stop presenting. Now see. So in that case, I think my screen is visible. So in that case, if you write road segment, say 31, you have to write two currents, isn't it? If you have taken the load from the midpoint, say A and B, you have to write two currents, then line loss will be two line loss, or you can add them and just write the summation in the line loss. Okay, but you have to write two different currents in line current. Okay, and those who have taken from the end, then for them they have only one current. I think I am clear to all of you about this. Okay. Now, if you add the second column, okay, road length, the summation of all the rows in the second column will give the required value in step 6. Calculate the total length of LT distributor. Okay. So actually the distributor is going along the road segment. So add all the rows in the second column. So you will get the length of LT distributor. Okay. And here you can just 1 minute, somebody is calling. Actually students, they regular call me in this situation. Just 1 minute. Okay. So I think am I audible? Okay. So this power demand of the LT loop at peak hours. Okay. What is that value? That value you have calculated earlier. You can remember on the basis of the maximum demand, you have found out the transformer rating. That maximum value you write here. I think in some you have calculated the power demand in different time slots. Okay. In summer and winter separately. I think maximum value was there in summer. In some time slot, you write that value. Okay. Then transmission efficiency of the loop at peak hours. So that value write in the numerator, in the derivative you write that value, and plus the total line loss you will get from here. So transmission efficiency you can calculate. Okay. Now after completing this step, directly go to step 11 for calculating the capital cost. Cost of transformer is 0.2 divided by 100 into kVA rating of your transformer. You can find it out. LT distribution cost also you can find it out, 1.5 lakhs into the road length. Okay, so transformer cost and the LT distributor cost, that is your total cost. Okay, each distribution part 3 is not there for you in your case, so just add them and find the total cost. Okay, so that will complete your whole design. Okay, I think you will be able to do it. And if you Anirudh and Panchali, okay, I will send you one mail to submit your design by next Sunday. But
Yes, ma'am.
if Anirudh and Panchali you are not comfortable, then I can give you some more time. Okay, that you can ask me or request me by the end of the next week. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Because
ma'am.
before submission you must appear for this viva. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If there is something, Panchali is already under COVID, so it will not be possible under she fully before she fully recovers. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I think it's over, but except their subblock, you complete all the other calculation for all the other subblocks. Okay. And submit together only one PDF file. Okay, including all the subblocks. It is not. It won't be there that is only subblock 1, subblock 2 separately you send me. You compile them and send me. Okay. Any question? Hello. Huh? Anyone. You should consult. Okay. And one thing you do, you write your names and put your digital signature, all of your digital signature on the in the PDF. Okay. Understood. Okay, but you, whoever, if Shubhankar, I don't know who will send, but all you should discuss with all of your friends and then send. Okay, take their consent and then send. If you find any problem, you can always call me or WhatsApp me. Okay. So I am ending the class here. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.